How to disable music recommendations notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable music recommendations notifications on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer and then click this settings icon here in the top corner, and here you will find notifications. Click on it, and then here you will find the music recommendations. Now just if you want to disable it, all you need to do is just click on it, and as you see here, all you need to do now is just wait 2 days, and that's how to disable it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.